Welcome to Real World AIP. I'm Stacey and today I'm going to be making Tigernut milk. Actually toasted Tigernut milk. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take 2 cups of whole tiger nuts. I'm going to toast them up in my toaster oven, give them a nice roasted, toasted flavor, and then I'm going to soak them in water. Alright, perfect. So this 12-ounce bag is 2 cups, so just take a 12-ounce bag then. Put it on the sheet, and I'm just going to roast these at 450 until I smell them like, you know, smelling toasty, and I'll tell you how long that took. I'm going to time it. Alright, these are nice and toasty. My timer actually stopped, my timer app, so I mean I just kind of let them go until I smelled them like just smelling toasty and yummy. So now I'm going to take these 2 cups or 12 ounces of tiger nuts that have been toasted, and I'm going to soak them for 24 to 48 hours. I'm going to go until Tuesday night. It's Sunday, so I'm going to go the 48 hours because I want to get the most, I want to extract the most goodness from them. So I'm just going to put them in a big bowl. And then we're going to add 4 cups of filtered water. And also some Himalayan pink salt. I'm going to set this in the fridge to soak for, I'm going to do 2 days. You can do it after 1 day. And we're going to revisit this Tuesday night and finish making the toasted tiger nut. Alright, so our tiger nuts have been soaking for 48 hours. I'm going to rinse and drain these well. Get all this old water out of here and get them rinsed off. Clean tiger nuts. Now, we're going to take 3 cups of water and boil it. If you use a regular blender, you're going to have to blend it a little longer. I'm going to use my high-powered Ninja Bullet thing, and or Ninja Bullet. I don't think that's really a thing. I think I combined NutriBullet with Ninja. But anyway, high-powered it is. If you don't have high-powered, so what? Just blend it longer, 2 to 4 minutes. I'm just going to probably end up doing like 3 batches. And I'm going to get my nut milk bag ready to strain it. Alright, so our water's boiling. Now, this is actually dangerous and stupid to blend boiling water, so don't do it. Just wait. I don't know how else you would do it though. I think everybody does it, but everybody says don't do it. I don't know. Anyway, if you're gonna blend like hot water with something, don't fill it up. You don't want this exploding on you, so be super careful. And when you open it away from your face. This is really thick. Probably should have done it and like maybe filled this 1/3 of the way instead of half. Pour this into my nut milk bag. So our tiger milk's been hanging out here, like literally, just cooling down, and now it's cool enough that I can start squeezing the milk out of it. I mean, you just squeeze as hard as you can and get all the goodness out of there. You really have to squeeze this kind of hard too, because if you don't, you're gonna waste a lot. It's gonna be still liquid retained in the tiger nut fiber. And this is what you end up with. This tiger nut milk, because it has more carbs than like a coconut or, you know, any kind of nut milk you'd make, it's going to lend a really nice sweetness to whatever you make with it. And because it is labor intensive to make, you know, I don't know that I'd be making smoothies with it and chugging it all the time, but just a little bit is going to add a toastiness and a sweetness to just about anything you make. So this is 3 cups. We used 3 cups of filtered boiling water and 2 cups of tiger nuts, which was 12 ounces. And we got 3 cups. So basically whatever water we put in, we squeezed back out. This toasted tiger nut milk will stay good in the fridge probably 2, 3, maybe 4 days. You can freeze it in ice cubes or freeze it in 8-ounce jars for cooking. I'm gonna freeze it right away because I don't know that I can handle this. I hope you found this video useful. If so, subscribe below. I put out new videos every Thursday, sometimes bonuses on Sunday. Hopefully I will see you soon, and until then, be healthy.